Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to do a simple tutorial on starting out with Git. So in this case I'm going to use the GitHub as my repository, and I'm just going to create a simple repository called tutorial. And we could add a, let's not add a REPO, let's do create repository. And I have this code folder here with just an indexed HTML file and a script, and I want to upload this to Git. So how can we do that? So first we have to navigate to this folder here. So on Mac you can do this really easily by just typing cd space and dragging the folder into the terminal, hitting enter, and you'll be in that folder. Another way you could do this, if we close terminal and reopen it, is you could do cd desktop or wherever you have it and just go to the folder manually like that. So those are two ways to get there. And then once you're here, let's just clear the screen, you do git init. So you want to init a blank Git repository first. So if you don't have one there already. So we create a Git repository there, initialize to empty Git repository, and then we want to add this repository as the remote origin on this Git repository that we created. So we could do git remote add origin and then just paste that link from your Git repository. So it's just this link right here. So we did git init and then git remote add origin, and you paste the link from GitHub. And then once you have that, you just do git add to add all the files in this folder to be tracked, and git commit -m, so you add a message, and you can say initial commit, and then git push origin master. So we're pushing to origin, which is what we set before. We set the remote origin to this Git repository here that we created, and master is just the master branch. So you're doing git push, so we're going to push all the commits that we did to the remote on the master branch. So we can push this. So once this goes through, we can come back here, refresh, and we'll see that our code is updated here. So what if we make a change to our code? So I'm just going to put something here, and let's change it. Let's change this to weather data 2. So just add a 2 to it. And if we do git, maybe I'll clear the screen so it's easier to see. Make it a little bigger. So git status, you can see I modified the index HTML file. So if we want to commit this change, we do git add all, git commit -m, add version number to index HTML file. So when you write your commits, a common practice is to say something to do as if it's like a task. It's not as if you did it in the past. So you want to say like add this or do this. You don't want to say like added version. So the common practice is usually to say it as in like a declarative sentence of something to do. So we add a commit, and then we just do git push origin master, like we did before. And then you'll see when you go to GitHub, you'll see this one stay the same because we didn't change it, but this commit, this file is on the commit add version number to index HTML file. So that's just a simple tutorial on how to get started using Git and with GitHub. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you want more advanced videos, also let me know. Thanks.